Consider the statement, quote, "We should only believe what can be scientifically proven," end quote. Can that statement be scientifically proven? Well, obviously not. And thus the scientific naturalist's position refutes itself, and so it cannot be true.
With any topic, you must define terms. It's the Socratic method. Now, I'm not talking about is and and. I'm not talking about that. But if you're bringing up topics for discussion, and this is one, refraction, you best define it and right from Jump Street. Don't wait. What is it, and provide citation for it. There's nothing wrong with asking people to provide citation for it. I don't want to know what you think this is. I want to know what it is. Since we're talking about refraction, let's define this monkey. Well, we go to the physics classroom. Refraction is the bending of a path of a light wave as it passes from one material to another material. Sounds pretty important right there. I highlighted it in red for you because that's really important as part of the definition. The refraction occurs at the boundary. That's very, you know what? I should highlight this whole thing, but it would make it, I can't do that because everything's highlighted, right? But every part of this definition is important. This part is really important. The refraction occurs at the boundary. Well, you have to have two different things for a boundary. There's no boundary in one thing. And is caused by a change in the speed of a light wave upon crossing said boundary.
Science cannot be justified by the scientific method. Science is permeated with unprovable assumptions. For example, in the special theory of relativity, the whole theory hinges on the assumption that the speed of light is constant in a one-way direction between any 2 points A and B. But that strictly cannot be proven. We simply have to assume that in order to hold to the theory.
But you're missing the whole...
So put that in your pipe and smoke it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So,
the description of terrestrial refraction. The atmosphere is also curved as it follows the shape of the Earth, and the calculations below will adopt the rough value of 6,400 kilometers as the radius of curvature to make the calculation simple. Now, you see, I've highlighted these two, right? To have this, these two conditions have to be known. This one and this one. Simple as that. Or it's not this, right? If I have a definition of a banana, and it has, you know, a banana is this color and this color, grows on trees, it's chock full of simple carbohydrates, potassium, and B6. If B6 is missing, let's say this is B6. If B6 is missing from the banana, then guess what? It's not a banana.
Science, ladies and gentlemen, is a wonderful gift from God, and I'll say that before I close again. But it is only one way of knowing reality. It's important, but there are many ways to know reality outside of science. And the statement that science is the only way we can know reality is not itself something that can be known by science. And it is a self-refuting claim.
So, for terrestrial refraction to exist, like I said, two conditions that is necessary antecedents must exist. You must have curved gases, the atmosphere. And as we all know, atmo means air, air is a gas, sphere is a shape, gases have no inherent shape. Right? If you think they do, you would fail first grade intro to gas behavior, literally.
Yeah, Mr. White. Yes, science. Okay.
Alexei, tell us something interesting. Okay. The Earth is flat.
Take care, fisherman in a box.
Yeah.